Hello guys, I promised to show you how to stretch the paper on wooden panel. I chose a small panel. For that time I prefer the panel about 2 centimeters thick, but it doesn't matter. So we need a wooden panel, we need a glue, paper of course, and the water. We start from the water. Take your sheet and put on the water for a while time. I don't know how long, because it depends on the type of paper. Usually it can be 5 or 10 minutes. So after that we need something like this to put our wooden panel and start work with glue. It's very simple. It's prepared and we're waiting only the paper. You need to be very careful and don't touch the surface of paper, because now it's very important to do it well. We're ready to stretch our paper. We take a very wet paper, put it on our wooden panel, and start to stretch. I prefer to cut the corners. It's a good feature. Ta-da! It's done. We need to waiting about 24 hours and ready to draw. Thank you.